Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your PlayStation account profile picture on PS5 and using a default avatar instead. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. Select Account, then select Profile. Click Profile Picture. Here it will ask you which profile picture you want to use. Choose Avatar instead of Profile Picture and then select OK. This will hide your previous profile picture from everyone and only your avatar will be displayed on your PlayStation profile. You can now go into avatar settings and select a different avatar if you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.